Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by rebooting immediately. This clears transient glitches that trigger safe mode. Once the device is off, remove any case and inspect the physical buttons, stuck volume or power keys for safe mode. Make sure to note apps installed in the last day or two because they often cause boot conflicts. After a clean button check, power on normally. If safe mode persists, you'll move to targeted app and system checks in the next steps. You should focus on apps first. Go to Settings and list recent installations, then uninstall the most recent suspects one at a time. This isolates the culprit. After each uninstall, reboot to test whether safe mode clears, because some apps hook system services that only drop after restart. Make sure to clear cache for any app that stays. Also check software update to patch known bugs. Once removed and updated, most devices will boot normally. If not, proceed to deeper resets. You now perform final recovery steps. Back up your data, then try wiping the cache partition from recovery mode. This is less destructive and often fixes persistent safe mode boots. If that fails, do a factory reset as a last resort because it reinstalls a clean user environment. Make sure to reinstall apps manually and observe behavior. Troubleshooting tip: if safe mode returns immediately, test with a different SIM or SD card removed. Hardware or corrupted external storage can re-trigger safe boot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.